Ken from Metal Medic. First of all, I want to thank you guys for getting on the bandwagon with these push-pull bars I've been selling, and these tabs. You guys are keeping me busy making these tabs. Well, anyways, long story short, guys are going, hey, I want to use your tabs for pulling, not necessarily lateral tension. What can I use? I said, well, okay, let me think about it for a minute. Well, I come up with this. It's a piece of 80-20 structural engineered aluminum. This is anodized. I put a cool little logo on there. And what we got here, these little, I call them wipers. These are the Christmas tree, little push-in Christmas trees, 1/2 inch. And what we got here, you can slide that in there, and that holds them in there, so they don't come out. You got that glued up against the side of a car. You can just put that there and, you know, get your rigging done. This is the 2 3/4 inch one for the 3x2, and we have a 5 1/4 inch by the for the 6x2. It's the same deal. Those little wipers that will hold that on there won't go anywhere. And you can use the small one on the 6-inch one too. Same kind of principle. No little screws to mess with. It just holds you right there. So that's what we got. And there's threads in there, so you can actually, if you want to make it permanent, you can just put a 5/16 nut and bolt on each side, and that will hold it in. And you don't have to mess with it. You're ready to go.